All right, gang, welcome back to another Checo Forex live stream. Hope everybody had a great day today, and let's dive right in. I do have a trade running right now and some draw now. All right, let's see where we're at. First thing, let me go over the weekly candle. So very big move on gold off the weekly from last week. This is our resistance there, and this is our support level here, right? So if you notice on the weekly, we did close bullish, respecting this resistance level, right, 2 weeks ago, and then we drove all the way up, made this massive top wick, which was the all-time high on gold, and then right before the weekend, look at this flip on the weekly, closed bearish, right back below the range, new candle, right, comes up, makes a top wick, now flips, took out the previous weekly lows. So yeah, I'm expecting a drive down to grab this wick at least. So we might be coming down to that 2350 range based off the weekly. Now let's go into the 4 hour. We delete these. We have different resistance levels here on the 4 hour. So off the 4 hour, we have our top right here, and we have our low right here, which we're currently respecting. You see here how we respected there, came up, came down, respected. Now we made a bit of a correction, right? And now we came down and we're right above that level there. I'm expecting either, if it's going to bounce back up, it's just going to make a minor correction, but I think we're going to break this level and come down again based off the weekly time frame, right? Now we move it over to the 1 hour, right? So off the 1 hour, I'm just gonna go with these levels here for the time being, and I want to mark this right there and this level right there. All right, and we have the low down here. I'll mark this one just to have that level marked up. Now when it comes to the 1 hour, right, so we made this big move. You know, we got caught in this pullback here, and we got taken out on the first trade this morning. I thought we were going to come down, but then you see a wick back up. But then once it tested up here, drove all the way down, and we took another entry right up here actually. Yeah, we caught it right up here, and then we caught this whole right down. Now, if you notice, off the 1 hour, this level right here, which I marked up here, this support level here, the 1 hour candle came down and closed below. Now we had this drive down, came back up. Now this next 1 hour candle drove up, but then you see that rejection coming back down. Now here we broke down, and now we're kind of pulling back up. So you know, I'm expecting this to continue to drive down. We're going to see if hopefully we'll get the push down, but there might be a correction coming in. I would say maybe to around this level here. So it's possible we can come and tap into that 2401 range right around here to then make the correction. But that could have been this candle already that made that attempt. And then we got rejected and pushed down. Now we're coming back up a little bit. But you know, we took a sell here just now at the break of the previous 1 hour low. So we're currently in that sell at the moment. Where's my short positions here? So yeah, we took this position right here at the break of the lows, and we're currently in drawdown. Our stop loss is 2405, and our TP is the range fill down here. All right, so that's what we are now. Let's see if we survive this pullback here. This resistance level can hold, then you know I might look for pineapple entries up here to catch the ride back down. But let's see. Let's be patient. You know, once we opened up, we made a small top wick, and then when we flipped, took out the lows. I thought we were gonna get the drive down, but now it's kind of flipping back up. So let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Let's take a look at NASDAQ in the meantime while we're holding that sell there. Wow, very interesting here, right? So look at the NASDAQ. Did it fill that? There was a gap down here somewhere. Did it fill up? I think there was. I think it filled it up already. Oh, but we have this this gap to the upside here. So look at how we drove down. We have this gap fill at 19.18. But we're driving, clearly broke ranges. Let's look at the 4-hour. Yeah, you can see that gap there. I think eventually it'll come back up to fill that. But what's the next support level? Yeah, so we have this range here. This consolidation area right here. And you can see how it came and wicked right in there and got that rejection. Now we're starting to push up a little bit. So let's see. Let's see on NASDAQ. If we do break below this level right here, we have clean traffic all the way down here to these areas down here, the 18,445. So let's see. Let's see if it's gonna bounce off of here, come back and fill that gap, and then continue to come back down. We'll have to wait and see. All right, so stay focused on gold for now. Let's switch it over to the 1-hour, and this is where we're at right now, gang. We already took out the lows here and pulled back up. Now, if we can come back in, well, we got 36 minutes. Yeah, one of the things I would like to see is a closure below, at least a closure below the support. But if we come back and re-break the lows again, then we should see the drive down. So let's wait and see. Yeah, so 30-minute came up, made that top wick, came down. Doesn't have much of a bottom wick, but already came down, made that wick. Yes, you see this current 15-minute pulled up, is back up above the range, but has no bottom wick. So I think this is just a top wick off the 15-minute before we get the flip. Let's see, the next 5 minutes will tell. But let's see how these candles close. The 1-hour closure is going to be key here. Let's see how it closes in the next couple minutes. Yeah, so we got 3 minutes left. But if this 15-minute candle flips bearish, then we should continue to see the drive down. And see, after pull back up, the previous 15-minute close back below the range. Give us a nice bottom wick here. Next 15-minute, made a top wick. Now we should get the flip. I'm going to stay on the 15-minute chart just to see if it's going to flip bearish in the next 3 minutes. Then I'll keep an eye on the higher time frames and see what happens. All right, let's see. We're going to drive down. Can we flip here on the 15-minute? 5:30 looking like. Right on the support level there. Let's see. Gang, if you're watching the stream, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button while you're in here and help support the channel. I appreciate it. So 45 seconds. Looks like this 15-minute might close bullish here. A lot of volume at the moment. I mean, I feel like we're getting some pretty decent moves at this time. It's usually not there's not that much volume at this time. We usually kick in with the volume closer to 9 p.m., 9:30. All right, so yeah, it's gonna close bullish above the range here. All right, let's see. Didn't break the previous 15-minute highs, but close above the range here. Okay, yeah, so we're seeing a top wick first here. 30-minute close bearish. Now we're getting a top wick, which is fine, and then we might get this top wick and then flip down. And keep an eye on the 1 hour here. Yeah, 30 minutes flipping bearish after making this top wick. Same thing for the 15. Let's see if it's gonna flip bearish. Previous 15 closed with no bottom wick, right above our entry here. So we should see this come back down and make a bottom wick here. Makes that bottom wick, re-breaks the lows. We should see a continuation to the downside, but you know, this thing might want to come up here and test this level up here. Oh, nice drop. Wow. It's popped now. It's the 1 hour looking like, all right, 1 hour is flipping bearish, coming back down and below support here. Let's see if we get that push. What does that 15-minute look like? Okay, you see 15-minute came up and then just kind of ripped down. Damn. All right. Either way, let's stay patient and see. And so this next 15-minute candle, along with the 30-minute, will also be the 1 hour closure as well. Let's see if we, after making this top wick, came down, broke the lows, and then pulled back up. But if we can come back down and re-break these lows here, we should see a continuation to the downside. But there's still about 26 minutes left, so let's give it time and see. Let's see what happens. I want this to come down and re-break the lows here. These lows right here. We already took out the previous lows here, below the range here, but then now gotta come down and take out these lows here. All right, so we just we're gonna break now. tapped into it. I want to re-break the previous lows, which we might just do at this very second. Let's see. There we go. Okay, so this is the second time we re-broke the low, so we should see a drive down. See, we're already in profit, gang. All right, so we re-broke the lows, and previously we broke the lows the first time, came down, made this wick down here, flipped up, made a top wick, and now we're pushing back down here and re-broke the lows for a second time here. So let's see if we can continue to drive down. Now the current candle lows, if you break those lows, we should see a drive down to fill this wick down here. Go back up again. So this candle came down, made a bottom wick for the previous 15. You can see here, and now flip it back up into the range. It's inside this range here, but you know, we'll see if we get a closure below, or is this thing gonna remain in this range, and then we're gonna kind of consolidate in here before we continue to drive down. Or it could come up, tap this level, and then come down. 15 minutes, 3 minutes left here. Candle closure. Came back down below the range. 30-minute also came back down below the range. Hasn't broken the previous 30 lows though just yet. And here on the 1 hour, we're right back at the lows here, at the previous 1 hour lows. Let's see if we break it again here. Yeah, there we go. All right, so we broke it again for a third time. So keeps coming back and re-breaking the previous lows and keeps breaking the lows. So one of them should break that low and continue to drive down, but let's see. 17 minutes left on the 1 hour, and you know, I think it's a good sign if we get we already rebroke the lows, but a closure below the support level will be key to see if we're going to continue to drive down. There you go for a fourth time. There you go, 4 times breaking that low. So let's see if we get the drive now. We keep re-breaking the lows, but then it doesn't give us that push now. Let's see. We'll make an attempt to re-break them now again. Yeah, there you go. We re-broke them just now again. Yeah, like it's like 6 times already now. Let's see if this time we get the push now. And right back up again. There we go. Now we're driving down. Okay. Are we going to re-break the current lows? Are we? Current lows? Come on. All right, so we re-broke the current lows. All right, let's see where this is at here. We're driving now, gang. Let's see. Where does that leave the 15 minute? All right, no top wick on the 15 minute. 30 minute should be closing soon as well. So, all right, let's see. See if we're gonna get a top wick on the 15 minute, get a top wick, and then the flip. So we got a top wick on the 15-minute. Let's see if it'll reflip in the next 12 minutes or so. 15-minute came back down, closed back below support. 30-minute currently below support. Patience, gang, patience. One thing too, if the 4-hour closes below that support, is also flipping bearish, making this top wick here too. So, let's see, we're gonna close below. 10 minutes here. Oh, we broke the lows again. We got 8 minutes, chat. Let's wait for this candle closure. And now, what would I expect? For example, if we do get a closure below, similar to this here, we got this bottom wick, got a top wick. I would expect the next candle to come up, make a top wick, and then we flip. So it might be a little more drawdown here. But let's see. Let's wait for this candle to close first, and then we'll see how the next candle opens. If the next candle opens and rips down and takes out the lows, I'll go break even immediately at that point. And again, we're basing it off of this support level here, guys. This candle can close below. Next candle can come up, make a top wick, right? Then on the reflip, once it re-breaks the previous 1 hour lows, then we should definitely see the drive down. I wouldn't see why not. We have to wait and see. If we drive down right away and take out the lows, like I said, I'll go break even because we won't have a top wick. So it can at any point flip back up after making the bottom wick and then drive and come back into the range. We take a look at Euro USD. Not right now. Not right now. I'm gonna focus here only because we got 4 minutes left to this candle closure here. If I have time later on, I'll take a look at Euro USD for you, but not at the moment. Wow, we didn't break the previous 30 lows. It came right at it and then flipped back up. 15 took out the previous lows, came up, made a top wick, still respecting this resistance level here. Keep re-breaking these 1 hour lows here, but it won't give us that drive. So let's see. Got 3 minutes of candle closure, gang. Let's see where we're at. All right, we're currently slightly in profit here now on our trade. Let's see where we're gonna close. All right, 30 seconds, gang. Will we close below? Ten seconds. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Ooh, we ripped down. All right, gang. I'm going break even here. Ooh, flip back up. Dang. Didn't get a chance to go break even there. We ripped down. Did we make a top wick here? Oh, there goes the top wick. Dang. We got that spike down, but didn't go break even right away there. All right. But it's right at our entry there. Let's see. We made a top wick here. Now we can come back down. If we can re-break these previous lows here, we should drive. Let's see where we go from here. But we did get a closure below, which is good. All right. Let's see if we're going to drive now. We made a top wick right here, so came back up. Nice top wick rather quickly, and hopefully we'll re-break the lows. Re-break the lows, and we should be gone. But let's see if this thing wants to pull back up higher. That means the 4-hour closed bearish. Yep. So the 4-hour closed bearish, closed below the range, closed below previous low, and now we're driving, gang. Made a top wick on the 4-hour, and now we should see a drive. Woo! We flying, gang. There we go. All right, gang. Yeah, we're doing good here. Yeah, we're getting. Yeah, we're running 26 pips here, gang. And we run some more. And I'm gonna go break even here. All right, risk free on this trade, close partials, and have my runner. What's that? Yeah, 22 pips, actually. Sorry, 22 pips. All right, so I closed partials at 22 pips. Got my runner, risk free here, gang. Beautiful trade. Are we gonna survive the pullback? Come on, man. We got a nice drive. We took the previous lows out and drove down. Let's see if we continue to drive. But yeah, secured partials there on my trade. Hope you guys did the same. Go break even if you haven't done so. It's pulling up here. Might hit our BE. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, hit my BE. Oh, there it goes. All right. All right, gang. I'm out. Nice trade nonetheless. We caught that nice move down with the volume here. This thing might still come down tonight. But But yeah, we grabbed something there on the way down. So nice job, guys, taking that trade, being patient, even after making this top wick here. And, you know, we remain in the trade and caught the move down. It might still drive down here, gang, but we got stopped out at BE. What are the levels here to the left? Is it? We went down below this area here. Yeah, we closed below this level. We closed below this support level here. So we, you know, it's making this top wick here, but it should continue to drive down. But I'm out. You know, we caught this nice dip right here real quick before it pulled back up. So caught 22 pips on that trade there. So not bad, gang. So when you're taking these trades, you see how the market moves, right? And sometimes, you know, you might want to say, look, I'm going to stay into this trade, but the best practice is always, you know, go break even, you know, eliminate risk if possible. And then once the market moves down, you know, if you're in profit, especially 22 pips, that's a pretty nice move on gold. So secure that, you know, you lock in the profits and, you know, you can hold the runner. In this case, we held it, but pull back up, hit our break-even point. So that's how it is sometimes. You know, sometimes it'll drive all the way down. Excuse me. And it might do that. It might do that. But I'm out. You know, I'll wait till tomorrow. Hopefully, we'll get a nice dip down here. Once we're at this level, this probably happened over London tonight. Come back down. Okay, you see how we're breaking back up into this range? Very important to, you know, make those adjustments. You know, you saw how fast I did those adjustments. You know, the market spiked down, came back up, didn't give me a chance to go break even the first round. But then once we rebroke the previous 1 hour lows and got the spike down, take your partials, secure some profits, and go break even. Because you know, sometimes you'll get that reversal back up. Now, this could be a top wick. You know, this candle just opened. It's a brand new 1 hour candle. This could be a top wick. You know, might come out and take out the previous highs. You know, stay in the range. But if you see, after making this top wick, sometimes they come a little steeper. If we do come and break the previous highs, but if we come back down and close back below support and also close bearish, especially. Look at that drive up now. Yeah, it might come back up here and take out the previous 1 hour highs here. Yeah, it's looking to stay in this range here. But now it formed this support right here. Or it's possible this thing, you know, you see how it's kind of consolidating. It's closing below this support level here, but this thing might come up. And it might even come back up and test this level here before continuing down. A lot of possibilities, gang, but we secured our profits tonight. So, yeah. I don't think I'm gonna take another entry here tonight, at least. But keep an eye on this level, gang. It might come back up into this range here, and then later tonight during London session, then we might get the continuation to the downside. So, you know, we had this massive drop. So a correction is expected. A correction is expected. Might tap into this level, it's that resistance here, or it might come back and retest this one up here. Might retest this level here, which is this resistance here, this resistance here. Might come up, tap that, and then continue down. So I wouldn't put it past gold. But again, remember, look, it came back, made the top wick, broke the previous 1 hour highs, and now it's flipping back. If this thing flips bearish and comes down, let's say takes out its own low here, then you can expect it to continue to the downside. And we got a lot of range coming down. So, you know, that's I mean, on the reflip bearish, that's 110 pips coming down here. So, you know, you guys can make that play if you want to tonight. If you keep an eye on the 1 hour, see if it already made this top wick. If it reflips bearish and takes out its own low, the current low, I would take another entry if I'm trading that. All right, gang. What can I say? That's all I got for tonight. I appreciate you guys coming in, hanging out, and you know, making some money with me and learning how to, you know, understand the markets and understand price action. And that's all I got for tonight. I hope everybody has a good night. And tomorrow, for my Forex platform members, we'll be trading the New York session tomorrow morning. So, all right, everyone, have a great night. And again, if you haven't hit that like and subscribe button, don't forget to do that on the way out. Have a great night. Peace out.